I'm on the hunt for Spanish mackerel, and I'm taking you along on every paddle, every strike, every miss, and I'm not gonna stop until we land one. This is the third summer of the hunt. You're watching this, you're part of it now. Let's get into it. Okay, we're on to something, hey? Okay, let's turn this way. Hey guys, this is day 5 of Spanish mackerel challenge, and I'm already been offshore. I'm just sort of making my way back to the land because we forgot the cap of my trolling camera. I hooked up on something here. I don't know what it is yet. No, it's not ready. Okay. 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 We started swimming now. This is something big, guys. The water right now is 23.4 degrees. Okay, I thought it was a small. I thought it was a small for a sec, but okay. Sheesh. I hope this is not a shark, though. It doesn't feel like a shark, though. But. And I'm hoping. Oh, let me just clear this. Oh, slack. No, don't slack. Don't give a slack. Don't give him a slack. Okay. So, my goodness me. He's on top water, guys. I can see. I was trying to get some line. My goodness. Sure. Okay, getting close, guys. We're getting close. But yeah, I started driving at 3 a.m. today to get here. We are north of Perth right now, and I can see long fish. Okay. Looks like this is our target species, guys. Because I was gonna go back. Okay. I was on my way back to the land. Oh my goodness, looks like it's a Spanish mackerel, guys. I was on my way back to the launch point because I think I've dropped the cap of the trolling camera. I got like 3 more hours of trolling today, and we all can't miss a underwater footage today. So it's just underneath me. It's just okay. He's gonna pull again. It's just a yep. It's a Spanish mackerel, boys and girls. We're on. He's on the bridge drive though. It's underneath. Okay. No, don't pull. Okay. Come on. Okay. There's a slack. I think this is still on. Yep, I can see him. Spanish, guys. Shit. Paddle 5, guys. A massive Spanish mackerel. Oh my god. We got it. We've got it. I got him. We got him. We got one, guys. Paddle 5. We've got it. No. I need to guff him again, eh? Yep. You're not going anyway, bud. Shit. We got him. We got him. Okay. Now I need to kill this guy very quick. Okay. I need to kill him quickly. Hope his brain. Hope that's his brain. He's dead. I think he's dead. Spanish mackerel on the Reaper rig, boys and girls. Hope he's dead now though. I'm gonna do another kill shot. Okay. These steeds are nasty, man. That looks scary. This is my first Metro Perth Spanish mackerel. Yoo-hoo! You! Man, I'm so over the moon right now. I'm gonna rinse this guy quickly. Hey guys, it took 3 summers to get here, and I said we weren't stopping until we catch one, and I mean it. I mean it. You're here for the setbacks, you're here for the long paddle, and now you're here. We caught it. We caught it. Thanks to those who believed. Thank you for being part of this mission. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Let's go. I started driving at 3 AM today just to get to this spot, and it turned out it's all worth it. That's such a big fish. Now we've taken that big creature off the ocean. Now we have a big responsibility of making sure nothing will go to waste. What do you think? Yummy. Wow.
hell.
Gata boy, gata. Yummy. Maki tail, boys. Maki tail and what's it called? Skeleton. Bones, the bones. That's the bones. See? Nothing go to waste. Everything will be cooked. Yeah, the only thing that's thrown is the guts. The liver. We all put it back to the fridge.
Gonna finish that.
Tapos
Okay,
na
let's
hati
go,
yan.
let's go.
Takpan mo.
Tapos na hati yan. Ay, pang buto-buto, gusto mo maglaga?
Dito na.
Buto-buto. Ang laki mo.
Beef.
Huwag ka lang dito.
Fridge is full, boys and girls.